This is Xiaomi's Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro. It extends the range of an existing Wi-Fi connection without any additional network configuration. It goes for around $10 online internationally and costs around 300 to 450 pesos here in the Philippines. It supports 300 megabits per second transmission speed, 802.11n connection, and 2 external antenna for a more stable signal. Its maximum range, however, wasn't specified in Xiaomi's website. It comes in this little box with just the device itself, a warranty notice, and a manual. The Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro plugs directly to a power outlet, although you might need an adapter depending on where you live. Setting up for the first time is quite easy. You need to download the Xiaomi Mi Home app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once inside the app, tap the Add button on the top right hand corner and it will show you the list of all the devices you can connect. The app will show all available devices on the upper portion that it has detected, but if yours doesn't show up, simply scroll down on the left panel and under the routers category, you'll find the Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro. Tap the icon from the list and the app will prompt you to reset the device first. Reset your Range Extender Pro and tap the next button to proceed. Next, select the Wi-Fi connection you want to extend from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password, and once you hit next, the app will connect the Range Extender Pro to the selected Wi-Fi connection. Once the Range Extender Pro has been successfully connected, pick the room you want to add it from the list and change the name of the access point. The last step allows you to share the device to another user, but this one is optional, and tapping back onto the main screen of the app shows the Range Extender already added. To connect to the Range Extender Pro, go to your phone's Wi-Fi setting and tap on its name from the list to connect. Your Range Extender will have the same password as the Wi-Fi connection it is extending. The connection speed is considerably slower compared to the original Wi-Fi connection. Here is the speed test I ran while I was connected to the Range Extender Pro. And here is the speed test results when I am directly connected to the main Wi-Fi connection. So the verdict, Xiaomi's Wi-Fi Range Extender Pro comes in cheap, but it loses a lot of points in failing to maintain the connection speed that the main Wi-Fi has. Nonetheless, it does the job and the connection is quite stable. Click the like and share button if you enjoyed this video, and click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever we have new videos. Thanks for watching.